dinos, thanks for joining me for another episode of Letters with Peggy Pig. That's me, Peggy Pig. How's everyone doing at home? I'm so glad that you joined me this week. I want you to do something very special for your parents this week, okay? I want you to take out a piece of white paper and draw something beautiful for them. Can you do that for me, dinos? I know my dinos can. Okay, are you ready? Just remember, there's a link provided below to print out the worksheets in the Show More button. It's okay if you can't. Let's just do it together. First, let's write our names. Today, I'm choosing green to write my name. What color are you choosing? Oh, that's one of my favorite colors too. Okay, now that we're done writing our names, let's read the directions. Blue W, what do you see? I see a gray wolf looking at me. Let's read it one more time. Blue W, what do you see? I see a gray wolf looking at me. What do we color the blue? It says Blue W. Did you say blue? That's right, dinos. Grab your favorite blue crayon and let's color the W. By the way, dinos, you're doing such a great job at coloring inside the lines. I can see your coloring skills get better each week. Can anyone tell me something that's the color blue? Anything. Did you say ocean? Yep, that's one of them. Did someone say blueberry? Oh, that's another one. Can everyone give me one more? Let's put on our thinking caps. Can anyone tell me? Did someone say the Cookie Monster? Great job, dinos. He's definitely blue. He's a funny monster, isn't he? Who loves cookies more than the Cookie Monsters do? Oh, I knew it, dinos. I knew you guys love cookies. What's your favorite cookie? Oh my gosh, all those cookies sound so delicious. Okay, now that we're done coloring the blue W, which you dinos did such a great job at, what color do we color the wolf? It says, I see a gray wolf looking at me. Let's read it one more time. It says, I see a gray wolf looking at me. What color do we color the wolf? Did someone say gray? Great job! Let's color the wolf gray. And just to let you know, on the right side of the screen, there's Mrs. Wolf there to help you, in case you need help coloring. Does anyone know what gray wolves eat? Can you guess, my dinos? Did someone say mashed potatoes? No. Did you say pizza? Nope. One more guess. What? Did you say lollipops? No, dinos. Gray wolves eat large hoofed animals, such as elk and deer. Did you know that sometimes they could eat up to 20 pounds in one sitting? Can you imagine eating 20 pounds of food? I would be in a food coma. Let's not forget the mouth. We can't forget the nose. Last but not least, the paws. Whoa, check out Mrs. Wolf. Did you know that wolves love to howl? Can my dinos give me their best howl? Let's do it! Whoa, my pack of dinos sounded terrific! Okay, dinos, now on to our favorite part, the background. You know why? Because we get to color anything our imagination tells us to. Today, can you tell that I'm drawing green lines? What does it look like to you? Can you guess? It's green. No, it's not a green apple. One more guess. Did someone say tree? Great job. Okay, just one more tree. Now, let's color the tree trunks with brown. What are you dinos drawing? Can you tell me? Oh, I like that. Whoa, that sounds amazing. You're really doing all of that? That's an amazing idea. I wouldn't have expected less from my mega dinos. Now that I'm done coloring the tree trunks, I'm going to grab a lighter color green and going to draw more trees. This way, the darker green stands out. Just one more detail and I'm done! Great job, dinos! I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Your background looks amazing. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, dinos!
Hi, everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!